Howdy everybody, and welcome back to our GameMaker Studio 2 Fundamentals. Today we're going to talk about keywords. So there are 4 keywords you really need to be aware of inside of GameMaker Studio 2. We have self, other, all, and no one. For all practical purposes, you are never going to use self. Same thing goes for all. I've never really had a opportunity to use all, but as you can see here, you can use all to affect all objects in the game at one time. The ones that you're really going to use a lot are other and no one. No one, why in the world would you use no one? Well, no one is kind of a useful little shorthand for if you don't have something in there yet, so you just put no one as a value there. And then you could check in an if statement. If it is equal to no one, then don't do this or something like that. That's always a useful thing. And the other one that you really want to be using is other. And remember back when I was talking about being able to affect the, when we were talking about using the with, actually over here. So with object something, we're using other.color. So other will refer, in the case of a with, back to the original object that is creating the with. Or you could say if you had a collision, so let's add a collision event with object something, other dot text underscore is equal to you hit me. So this other is referring to the object that we actually hit. So real quick back here into the step event, or draw event, I am just going to copy that and draw you at xy minus 64. Text underscore. Yeah, just making sure I had the right variable. So let's see. Let's move our character along. Let's get a color that we can actually see. You hit me. See, there we go. Alright, those are the 4 main keywords that you're going to be using in GameMaker. But if you want more information, help file always has more. But in all practicality, the only ones you're really going to be using are other, which is scoped, meaning it changes what it does depending on how you're using it, and no one, which is pretty much a placeholder value for no one or nothing here, and it works any place you would oh yeah, that should be mentioned real quick. Each one of these has a numeric value, so no one is the same as -4, -3, -2, -1. So as you can see, no one is the same as putting -4. So anytime you don't have a value, and it could be an integer value, just put no one if you don't have anything to go there yet. Alright, thank you everybody for watching, and good luck with your programming.